G'day, wildlife lovers. Get ready for an adventure because we're going down under Australia. The land of sunshine, shrimp on the barbie, and the most incredible animals on the planet. From the red heart of the outback to the vibrant coral reefs, Australia is bursting with life. We'll introduce you to some true blue Aussie icons. Have you ever wanted to bounce with kangaroos, cuddle a koala, maybe even spot a shy platypus? We're on a mission to show you why Australian wildlife is so special and why we need to protect it. So, pack your sense of adventure, slather on some sunscreen, and get ready for an unforgettable wildlife experience. Australia isn't your average island. It's a continent and an island all rolled into one. This isolation has created a unique environment, separated from the rest of the world for millions of years. Think of it as a giant nature laboratory where evolution has gone wild. Because of this isolation, Australia's animals have adapted in extraordinary ways. They've developed unique features and behaviors you won't find anywhere else. From the bizarre to the beautiful, Aussie wildlife is full of surprises. Prepare to be amazed by creatures that lay eggs but produce milk, birds that can mimic any sound, and marsupials that carry their young in pouches. Australia is a testament to nature's creativity, a place where the ordinary becomes extraordinary. One word: marsupials. These amazing creatures dominate the Australian landscape. Unlike most mammals, they raise their young in pouches. Kangaroos, koalas, wombats, they're all part of this unique group. But it's not just about pouches. Australia boasts an incredible diversity of habitats. From lush rainforests to arid deserts, each region is home to creatures specially adapted to survive and thrive. Picture vibrant coral reefs teeming with marine life, dense eucalyptus forests echoing with the calls of colorful birds, and vast deserts where resilient creatures have mastered the art of survival. Join us as we delve deeper into this incredible world, exploring the lives of these fascinating animals and the challenges they face. Get ready to discover the wonders of Australian wildlife. Picture this. The sun rises over the vast Australian outback, painting the red dirt with hues of orange and gold. Suddenly, a group of kangaroos bounds across the landscape, their powerful legs propelling them forward with effortless grace. Welcome to the world of Australia's most iconic marsupial. Kangaroos are true masters of their environment. They've adapted to survive in some of the harshest conditions on Earth, from scorching deserts to cooler, grassy plains. Their powerful tails act as a third leg, providing balance and support, while their large feet are perfect for hopping across vast distances. But kangaroos are more than just incredible athletes. They're social animals, living in groups called mobs that can number in the dozens. Led by a dominant male, these mobs graze together, play fight, and look out for danger. Despite their strength and resilience, kangaroo populations are facing challenges. From the rugged outback, we journey to the lush eucalyptus forests, home to one of Australia's most beloved creatures, the koala. These cuddly creatures, with their fluffy ears, button noses, and sleepy eyes, have captured the hearts of people worldwide. Koalas are true specialists, perfectly adapted to life in the eucalyptus trees they call home. Their sharp claws provide a vice-like grip on branches, while their specialized digestive systems allow them to extract nutrients from the tough, fibrous eucalyptus leaves that would be toxic to most other animals. Life in the treetops is slow-paced for a koala. In fact, they spend most of their day sleeping. This low-energy lifestyle is a direct result of their diet. Sadly, these gentle creatures are facing an uncertain future. Habitat loss due to deforestation, bushfires, and disease are taking a toll on koala populations. Back to the outback we go, this time to meet the tallest bird in Australia, the emu. Towering over the landscape with their long legs, shaggy feathers, and inquisitive eyes, emus are a sight to behold. Don't let their size fool you. These feathered giants are incredibly fast runners, capable of reaching speeds of up to 50 kilometers per hour. Their powerful legs carry them across vast distances as they search for food and water in the arid outback. Emus are highly adaptable creatures, able to survive in a variety of habitats. from open grasslands to woodlands. They're omnivores, feeding on a diet of seeds, fruits, insects, and even small animals. While emus are not currently considered endangered, they still face threats from habitat loss, vehicle collisions, and predation by introduced species. Dive into the freshwater rivers of eastern Australia to encounter the peculiar platypus. This shy animal looks like a cross between a duck, a beaver, and an otter. The platypus is a living fossil that has puzzled scientists for centuries. It's one of the few mammals that lay eggs. The female lays her eggs in a burrow and curls around them to keep them warm. The babies lap milk from her skin as she lacks nipples. Equipped with electroreceptors in its bill, it detects prey in muddy riverbeds. Protecting their freshwater homes is crucial for their survival. Venture deep into the lush rainforests of northeastern Australia, and you might just encounter a creature as impressive as it is intimidating, the cassowary. This flightless bird is a true giant, second in size only to the ostrich, with its glossy black plumage, striking blue head, and a prominent casque, a bony helmet-like structure on top of its head. Cassowaries are solitary creatures, fiercely protective of their territory. Don't let their size fool you. They are incredibly agile and powerful, capable of delivering a serious kick with their strong legs and sharp claws. These rainforest guardians play a vital role in their ecosystem. As they roam through the undergrowth, they feast on fallen fruits, dispersing seeds far and wide, helping to regenerate the rainforest. They are true keystone species, essential for the health and diversity of their environment. Conservation efforts focus on protecting their rainforest homes and raising awareness about the importance of coexisting with these magnificent birds. Australia is a land teeming with reptiles, and lizards in particular have thrived in this sunburnt country. From the arid deserts to the tropical rainforests, lizards of all shapes and sizes have adapted to survive in this diverse land. Two of the most iconic and fascinating are the frilled neck lizard and the thorny devil. The frilled neck lizard, with its iconic frill, is a master of defense. When threatened, it gapes its mouth, spreads its frill wide, and hisses, creating a formidable display to startle predators. This dramatic display, coupled with its ability to run on its hind legs, makes it a truly unforgettable sight. Then there's the thorny devil, a small lizard that looks like it's straight out of a fairy tale. Covered in sharp spines, it's a master of camouflage, blending seamlessly into the desert sands. The skies and forests of Australia come alive with the calls and songs of a dazzling array of birds. From the vibrant parrots to the majestic birds of prey, Australia is a paradise for birdwatchers and nature enthusiasts alike. In the eucalyptus forests, you might spot flocks of rainbow lorikeets. Their feathers a riot of color as they feast on nectar and pollen. These social birds, with their playful antics and chattering calls, bring life and vibrancy to the Australian bush. Venture into the outback, and you might be lucky enough to catch a glimpse of the majestic wedge-tailed eagle, Australia's largest bird of prey. With its wingspan reaching up to 2.8 meters, this powerful raptor commands the skies, soaring effortlessly on thermal currents. From the tiny jewel-toned hummingbirds to the iconic kookaburras with their unmistakable calls, Australia's bird life is as diverse as the habitats they inhabit. From rainforests to deserts, a tapestry of habitats. Australia, a land of staggering contrasts where ancient rainforests meet arid deserts, snow-capped mountains give way to sun-kissed beaches, and vibrant coral reefs teem with life beneath turquoise waters. Each of these unique habitats has shaped the creatures that call it home, leading to remarkable adaptations and a diversity of life that never ceases to amaze. Journey with us from the lush rainforests, where every inch is teeming with life, to the heart of the outback, a land of scorching sun and resilient creatures. We'll explore the diverse ecosystems that make up this remarkable island continent, discovering the challenges and triumphs of life in each environment. Australia's natural wonders extend beyond its terrestrial landscapes. Dive into the vibrant coral reefs, where a kaleidoscope of colors and marine life awaits. The green cathedral life in the rainforests. Step into the emerald embrace of Australia's rainforests, where towering trees form a verdant canopy overhead, filtering sunlight into dappled patterns on the forest floor. The air is thick with humidity, alive with the sounds of buzzing insects, chattering birds, and the rustling of unseen creatures in the undergrowth. Here, in this ancient world, life takes on a vertical dimension. Tree kangaroos, with their powerful limbs and prehensile tails, navigate the canopy with ease, while colorful parrots and lorikeets flit through the branches, their feathers a vibrant contrast to the lush greenery. On the forest floor, a different cast of characters roams. Cassowaries, those prehistoric-looking birds, stride through the undergrowth, their distinctive calls echoing through the trees. Boyd's forest dragons, masters of camouflage, lie in wait, their patterned scales blending seamlessly with the leaf litter, ready to ambush unsuspecting prey. The red hart's survival in the desert. From the lush rainforests, we journey to the heart of the outback, a land of vast distances, scorching sun, and surprisingly resilient life. Here, beneath the endless blue sky, the red dirt stretches as far as the eye can see, punctuated by spinifex grasses, weathered rock formations, and the occasional hardy tree. Life in the desert is a testament to adaptation, a constant struggle for survival against the odds. Kangaroos, masters of water conservation, bound across the arid landscape, their powerful legs carrying them vast distances in search of precious waterholes. Beneath the surface, a hidden world of creatures thrives. Thorny devils, those miniature dragons of the desert, collect dew on their spiny bodies, channeling it to their mouths. Feel the salt spray on your face and the wind in your hair as we journey to Australia's breathtaking coastlines, where the land meets the sea in a symphony of crashing waves, rugged cliffs, and pristine beaches. This dynamic environment is home to a unique cast of characters, perfectly adapted to life at the edge of two worlds. Along the rocky shores, Australian sea lions bask in the sun, their mournful barks echoing across the waves. These playful creatures are equally at home in the water, diving and frolicking in the surf, their sleek bodies built for speed and agility. Further out to sea, humpback whales make their annual migration, their massive bodies breaching the surface in spectacular displays of power and grace. These gentle giants travel thousands of kilometers each year to mate and give birth in the warmer waters off the Australian coast. From the smallest shorebirds to the largest whales, Australia's coastline is a haven for marine life, a reminder of the beauty and fragility of our oceans and the importance of protecting these precious ecosystems. Australia's wildlife faces an uncertain future. Habitat loss, invasive species, climate change, these threaten Australia's ecosystems. The fight for survival is real. Imagine a world without the cassowary's roar, the koala's antics, or a kangaroo bounding across the outback. It's a bleak picture, but Australians are passionate about their wildlife. Conservation efforts are underway, from national parks to breeding programs. Scientists and conservationists are working tirelessly. We need to restore what we've lost. Reforestation and community education are crucial. Section 2. Human impact, a balancing act. As humans have left their mark on Australia, so too have they impacted the delicate balance of its ecosystems. Deforestation, agriculture, urbanization, these activities, while essential for human progress, have come at a cost to Australia's wildlife. Picture this. Vast tracts of forest, once home to a kaleidoscope of life, cleared for farmland or urban development. The loss of habitat fragments wildlife populations, isolates species, and disrupts the delicate web of life that sustains these ecosystems. But it's not just habitat loss. Invasive species, introduced by humans, wreak havoc on native wildlife. Predators like feral cats and foxes prey on vulnerable native animals, while introduced plants outcompete native species for resources, disrupting the delicate balance of the ecosystem. The challenge lies in finding a balance between human needs and the needs of wildlife. Sustainable land management practices, responsible development, and efforts to control invasive species are crucial to mitigating human impact and ensuring the long-term survival of Australia's precious biodiversity. Section 3. Climate change, a looming threat. Climate change casts uncertainty on Australia's wildlife. Rising temperatures, droughts, and intense bushfires threaten their survival. Coral reefs bleach and droughts push wildlife to their limits. Reducing emissions and investing in renewable energy are crucial. We must act to protect Australia's natural heritage. Section 1. Guardians of a living treasure. Australia's wildlife is a precious and irreplaceable treasure. These incredible creatures are found nowhere else on Earth. But this treasure is fragile, facing unprecedented challenges. The future of Australia's wildlife depends on our choices today. Section 2. Our outback, our future. Protecting Australia's wildlife is a call to action for each of us. We can all make a difference in our own backyards. Imagine a future where kangaroos bound across the outback, where koalas thrive in eucalyptus forests, and cassowaries echo through the rainforest. This future is possible if we act now. Support wildlife conservation organizations. Educate yourself and share knowledge. Make sustainable choices daily, reducing your environmental footprint. Every action brings us closer to a brighter future. Let's be guardians of this living treasure, ensuring future generations inherit a thriving world. The outback will thank us.